Hi, good day. This is Alexis from Internet Well Secret. So, in this review, I just want to have a quick walkthrough with you about this coaching program from James and Mark. This is called Breakout Affiliate Mastery. So, this is a product from James and Mark. James and Mark basically they are two really top internet marketer. In fact, they are the 1% top affiliate marketer in the world plus, right? So in this program, we call it as a BAM, right? So the headline said, if you need mentoring, are you sick of getting zero result with no help, right? Okay, right. So there are many ways of doing affiliate marketing to make affiliate commission, right? So the way here in this coaching program is about how to use the solo app, the pay app to actually to make 3-figure, 4-figures affiliate commission daily, right? So in this program, they're going to have a 6 but in the program here, right? So in the 6 weeks boot camp here, Mark and James is going to show to you about how they have used Solo app to make a lot of commission, right? Daily commission, right? And also in the same time they can build the email list from the opt-in from all these solo app, right? So they even they give a list of the solo app vendor, the trusted vendor where they used to buy their solo app, right? So this is an brand new. This is one of the trend right now to make affiliate commission. It's even the faster way to make affiliate commission here. So look at the review page here is. I have actually done some review. It is what is a breakout affiliate mastery, right? So this is a signature training mentoring by Mark. There's no bullshit here. Everything he taught in the program is about the real way they do how the real method they told the step. They will show step by step how they actually implement, how they create the opt-in page using the ClickFunnels or other page builder, and how they can actually also design the email sequence, right? So all this been told in the 6-week video training camp and get you ready with the knowledge and skill to start making money with affiliate marketing. So there's no waiting here. So because Solo app is really fast. Solo app, by using Solo app, you are able to make fast commission, right? And build your email list in the same time, right? So this one stone is killing two birds, right? Somewhat in this BAMs, apart from the 6-week video training boot camp, they're going to have a mastermind Facebook group, right? There are weekly training and Q&A session, and people can actually join the master Facebook group and they learn. As a member, you can post your any question with regard to driving traffic, email marketing, sales conversion, anything about make money online. Then you can grow and advance further for our newbie into intermediate and even advanced marketer. This is what I feel, right? So here in this Facebook Mastermind group, you're going to learn from the different members. This member, they have actually done really good using the same method. They have produced a lot of results. So inside the Facebook group, you're going to see a lot of testimonial result, the real earnings testimonial like this one, right? So this some of the solid proof I have included here. Some of the this is some being made possible by this using this program, right? So these are some of the students after they gone through the program, they learn every step from James and Mark, and they're able to make this kind of commission. This is only some of the testimony. There are many such track proven testimonial inside the member area after you join, right? Okay, so this guy says the 99 they can make a consistent they can make actually consistent commission after joining the program. And also here is one of the testimonial that say last 30 days they have actually done close to 100,000 affiliate commission by using the Solo app, right? And also Joe's Ball, this is one of the testimonial here. Okay, he joined in March, and in just 6 months, he already hit 100,000 in total sales, right? And also, some of the member here, they are able to they are able to earn 4 figures, 3 figures daily commission, right? So all these some of the testimony here. So so if you sign up BAM today, you're still getting 497 is offer price, right? So the price is going to rise to 1997 very soon, right? So take this opportunity and definitely if you ask me, why should you join a Breakout affiliate master? Very simple. James and Mark, they are two only top affiliate on the World Plus, right? And they're consistent getting 1,000, 2,000 a day using the paid traffic method, right? So why paid traffic? Because paid traffic is scalable, right? Free traffic is really unscalable. Paid traffic you can scale whether you want to make 3 figure, 4 figure, 5 figure per day. So this is made possible by the paid traffic, right? And one of the faster way, easier way to make daily commission with paid traffic is using Soloads, right? Okay, so in this mastermind group, James and Mike, they're going to coach you personally, and you'll be also they will share their success story and strategy beside getting the personal coaching. So the mission is to keep you on track to succeed, right? And so you will know you will know actually so what we call as you may be struggling to make money online. You don't know how to get started, or you're actually buying a lot of signing object, and all the signing object is wasting you a lot of money, right? So why don't you just sign up this program and be mentored by James and Mark, right? Okay, so this is a personal coaching. You can easily duplicate their success, right? They will show you all the step or strategy they have been applying, right? Okay, so there's faster way to succeed to duplicate everything. So why you want to figure out yourself how to succeed, right? So in fact, people will actually show you how they can be successful by just duplicate what they have done, right? Okay, just apply, copy, and paste the same method and just take action, right? So these programs, they will share with you entire business model, right? So business blueprint. And the best part is that you got lifetime access to the mastermind community, right? There's a lot of value here, right? You just need to pay one time. You're going to be coached now by James and this Mark, but you also be getting some guidance, some assistance for other members who are already experienced marketer. So jump on it, grab the program before the price increase to 1997, right? Okay, so although I'm giving this a Breakout affiliate master list 5-star, right, and my recommendation is also I highly recommend this is going to shorten your learning curve to success and save expensive cost of buying many subjects which last we don't actually work out for you, right? So with this, before I jump to the Breakout program, just let me quickly show to you here, right? So if you sign up the BAM today, I'm going to give you close to 6,000 plus email bonuses, right? There are 30,000 plus value of bonuses here. So there's four special bonus here if you sign up today. On product DIY money, this is make money on the subscriber. You can actually log into autoresponder. This IMPLR accept the 6,000 PLR ebook and video you can actually sell as on giveaway as bonuses, right? So but in this alone, you're going to have 6,000 ebook and video with PLR you can resell, right? And apart from that, special bonus 3 and 4, you're going to I'm going to give you my proven to convert opt-in page and bleach page, which I have used to in multiple campaign, and each time will get me over 40% opt-in plus multiple. So I have after I learned from BAM, I have also designed my own proven to convert opt-in page, and I'm going to give this bleach page to you right away. So this is highly converting bleach on opt-in page. You can just copy, change the offer, the affiliate link, and change the description of the offer. You can just the design is all there already. You just upload to your server and start making. Using it to promote, to drive some solo traffic, get the opt-in, and you can start your solo ad campaign, right, upon within 30 or 1 hour, so you don't have to figure out how to design your own opt-in page, your bleach page. You can use me, my one. Okay, I have this one, my exclusive solo ad trainings. This is I have also some ladies, this is one of the really good Soloads training, right? You can actually use it together with the Breakout affiliate mastery. So in this Soloads training, you're going to learn some trick to optimize earning with Soloads traffic, right? There are you will learn how you can actually use the same visitor traffic to actually optimize, right? Instead of they seeing one offer, how you can actually multiply the offers to be presented to the same visitor. So from there, you're going to increase your chance of getting more sales, right? So you're going to get these 4 special bonus, but you need to take 5 sessions. So there are some bonuses here: web design agency, Turnkey business kit, and video agency, Turnkey business SEO agency business kit. There are some also some really good bonuses like 5 conversion tool to get more lead and sale. The website hack, double your triple your sale, and this is web conversion. Ready some of the really good training here. And YouTube hack 2021, the trick I have been using to rank my YouTube video and YouTube channel. Email search, this is SaaS app to increase your email, create and operate with a timer, right? And this is another so-called this is one of the cloud app to e-com store builder, and this is the biggest selling funnel, right? This is a 250k funnel. You can also have this 250k funnel builder offer, and this is two app two really high quality bonuses video hub. You can create your own video subscription membership platform using these bonuses, and YouTube video to this is WordPress plugin. The VidSpark is cloud-based video creation app, and I have actually exclusive 4,000 hashtag stock email information for motivation, fitness. You can use it for any upload to your YouTube channel, or use it for any video marketing content. And this is 250 high quality video exclusive posted by my team, and this can use it for your marketing purpose. Audio Wizard is a cloud app to create your own audio track for you, any of your video project, right? Video marketing, and you can use the free traffic. This is a secret to the 15 free traffic source, and this is a traffic cloud app, and this is a clone plugin, 2 clone plugin to get the free traffic from TikTok and Instagram. This is also 6 pay underground traffic source, right? This underground traffic source I'm also giving to you, and this is 3. I'm giving also 3 of our best affiliate software, right? Okay, can decide 100% of the profit. BotEngage is a cloud-based app to actually to create different kind of chatbot and based on your website to increase the visitor, right? And this is a cloud app to create, distribute, and manage hyper interactive. It's SEO tool, S50 SEO tool on the cloud app, and it's a video training how to optimize YouTube channel. And you never seen before method how to make money without selling. This is a high ticket training, high ticket system training, how to make high ticket, high ticket commission, right, by selling high ticket product. 100 giveaway. This build your list using the giveaway, and this is my exclusive bonus bundle of the 80 top product from famous marketer Jono, Armstrong, and Blender, and over 100 HQ software plugin that you can skyrocket your business, right? Everything is all included here inside the bonus bundle, right? Okay, so just run through the bonus preview here. You will see the email swap, email marketing video training courses, over 100 traffic software, right, and premium software, and also I have also include some of the opt-in lead magnet capture page. And here is a best plug, the 80s previous product from Jono and Brandon. You can have full access to all their previous product, and you can learn everything how they actually make money online from this product, right? So okay, so take 5 session. This is my best bonus bundle. If you sign up Breakout for affiliate monthly via my debut page today, just click on this yellow button, right? It will bring you to this page, right? Breakout affiliate monthly, right? Okay, right. So this is only 7 spot left already here. You can see in the sales page. So take 5 session today. While the price is still at the 497, they're going to double up to the 997. So in this sales page, there are a lot of testimonial. There are video testimonial here. You can actually go through. There's no bombastic wording here. Everything is about fact and feed data, right? So let them coach you right about this, and I'm sure this is the best investment you have ever made in this year 2022, and I'm sure this is the best way to do affiliate marketing to make consistent 4-figure, 3-figure, or 5 figures affiliate commission already, right? So before I end today's review, just have a look into the Breakout, right? So when you sign up with the Breakout, access the member area, this is what you're going to see here, right? So this is what you're going to see, right? Okay, so you can see this syllabus here, dashboard is a building. It will teach you how to build your page, thank you page, right? Okay, right, everything will be told step by step how to do everything, right? Okay, and there's an introduction here. There's an introduction of about welcome to the bootcamp, objective, mindset, no more signing object. So James is going to teach you how to avoid signing object, right? So all these signing object, forget about signing object, right? So you're going to learn everything, how the real way of doing the affiliate marketing, right? Okay, so the next one is week one. Week one, you're going to learn about how to approach. This is a funnel, how funnel work, building your opt-in script page, building your page thank you page, connecting, integrating with email marketing system, building your follow-up email sequence, setting up your tracking for traffic. So everything is told step by step in each of the video. James is going to take you through every step to set up the opt-in page, the integration with the email, creating email sequences, right? How to place, how to use a quick funnel, how to use the click magic, and how to set up your tracking for traffic. So week two, we're going to learn about important quality traffic, where solo ad traffic provider get their traffic, and important in tracking your provider, managing depot with the provider, quality traffic, biggest profit. And also this is week three. Week three, you're going to setting a speed test of your opt-in page, setting up the data for to test your big page and offer, right? And week four, we're going to learn about money management, important of money management, and if a long-term strategy, and how to deal with the defund and chargeback, right? And week five, you're going to learn about email copy, how to write email copy for core audience, dealing with the subscriber. Week five, homework and discussion, right? Again, week six, you're going to how to scale and optimize the whole business, right? And also the review on the week one and week five training, rotating offer continue evergreen March, right? So again, there's inside here you can have a special offer. You can have a one-on-one call with James, right? This is a very special offer for James. Is everything is inside the member area, right? So so this is about the 6-week book came from James and also Mark, right? So definitely they will learn everything. There are so many videos here in each of the week, right? There are 100 hours, few hundred hours of video or coaching. They're going to show you, to take you through every step, how to set up the whole business, right? From opt-in page, from the traffic generation, right? From getting the solo ad vendor, right? And from engaging the solo ad vendor and creating the email sequence, right? Everything, and also managing the fund, right? Everything you're going to learn about affiliate marketing, right? So after you completed the course, you will be in the very best position to make $100, $200, 4-figure, 3 or 4-figure, 5-figure within few months or maybe within weeks, right? The testimonial of student they ever make 100,000 just within a few month after joining the program. So thanks for action today, right? The program is going to increase really soon to 1997, right? Right now it's still running at 497, right? So go through here again on my review page, and all the bonuses here. There are 6,000 over bonuses. There's a value of 30,000 plus. All the bonuses will be you if you sign up today, right? 497, right? I'm sure this is the best deal of the year, and I'm sure this is the best investment you will ever make of the year also, right? So jump on it right now and sign up for 497, right? And you're on your way to success as a top affiliate marketer, right? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.